Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, trendsetter. So I am getting a late start, but I am whipping up something special for Randal. Oh, I know some of them, I'm sorry, they're raw beets. We get some of those going, steaks going, get some bacon going. And yeah, I'll come to you guys. Just get situated here. Alright, let's get into it, yo. So yeah, that's the blends I'm using. This stuff right here can really season heavy, so you gotta be light on that. But those are the seasonings I've got on there. I'll let those set for a little bit. Oh, did I not have the... Yeah, so now this is finishing up. The bacon is finishing up. And then next I'm gonna put my steaks in. I like to broil those. So I'm gonna have those nice and broiled. And then I'm gonna drain these here. And probably put my eggs on next. Yeah, I'm gonna put the eggs on next. Yeah, so the steaks are in. Those won't take long because they're broiling. That's how I like to cook my steaks instead of frying them. Get the bacon, the oil draining off. And then I'm gonna start my eggs. Two overnight, sunny side up. Yeah, so see, they don't take long, so I'm gonna go ahead and flip them over because we like them a nice medium rare. Alright, so I think we're good to go here, nice and juicy. Eggs are coming along nice. Come on, get in focus. So I have my eggs covered to kind of like to finish them off. To see it help the yolk get a little bit more cooked, not too overcooked, but just a little bit. And yeah, I think I'm gonna take the steaks out because I don't want them to get overdone. All right, so the meat plate is down. Just waiting on those waffles. And we've got a mocktail. Got a mocktail here. He really likes my mimosa, but he doesn't drink anymore, so I'm gonna make a full one. Alright, so there it is, the faux mimosa. Getting these together. The Madagascar vanilla waffles. If you know, then you know. He doesn't like his over toasted. We've got fresh berries here and a simple syrup. Simple syrup is usually just sugar water. They could have sat a little bit longer, but for the sake of time, we gotta go. Alright guys, let me get this all plated up. Alright, and there we have it, guys. Randal. Happy Father's Day.
Hey. It's a nice breakfast. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
You like it?
Oh yeah, steak, bacon, eggs, waffles, strawberry, blueberry. Yeah.
Excited. Alright guys, I'm gonna let him dig in. I got one more thing for him though. Juliana, it's one more thing. And one more thing. That's your FOMO. That's your faux mimosa.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome. We probably gonna put it over there. Here, you got the coaster. Enjoy.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah, who's the other chef? Tell them who the other. Yeah, I'm the other chef.
Yeah, you the real chef.
You need a real knife. You got it. Alright guys, we'll come back at you later and let him enjoy because he doesn't like eating on camera. Let him see at least one bite. Let him see at least one bite. Yeah, that's good. Alright guys, come back at you later. Peace. Y'all, look, this is what's left. Where did it all go? He demolished that plate. You missed my cooking. You always want to be in there though.
Yeah, you gotta cook more.
You want to put me back in there.
Good too.
That's good. Yeah, I'm the other chef, low key. They don't know.
Yeah, you are the chef.
The other chef.
Yeah, you the real chef. You the real chef. That's the real chef right here.
He was my
Me how to cook, for real. Before I even got into cooking, she told me how to cook. And then I started going to the restaurants and stuff. But yeah.
Yeah, he demolished that plate, y'all.
Yeah.
Alright, Father's Day brunch is a wrap.
Yep. Alright, TWT. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there.
Yep. Happy Father's Day.
Yeah, happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. I hope
Alright.
y'all enjoy it.
Yeah.
Have a good day. And do what y'all want to do.
Alright.
Alright. Peace.
Peace.